unplug the sensor in the middle of taking this guy off now because it's broken. There is resistance on it with my resistance meter, but I think it might have gotten moist, or it's definitely giving wrong info to the motherboard, main board. So I'm gonna take it apart, and then I don't have a new one yet. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then also I want to put everything back together. This here, what else was there? That all I put back together. But it's all these kind of things here that I put back together, just so it's all in one piece again. And then we can go to the vehicle inspection. And once that's back and we know we can drive it and it's insured, we'll do stuff like this. Replace this. I really want to look or get the wide body yet. I want to make a custom one, maybe even in the future, because I don't think I'm gonna get my money back from this car because of how much I've put into it already. I think I'm like 12 grand into this car with buying it, new engine. I would get maybe some money back because they're worth nothing here in Germany. Maybe if I would part it out, but I don't want to part it out because then I have it just junk standing on my yard. So I might as well use this clickbait. Just kidding. You can make them cool, and I kind of have always wanted to customize a car. Like my best friend Julius and I, we really want to, like, you know, those people that sometimes, what was it that, what's it called? Vapor visor. So there's some guy on YouTube, he took that Infiniti G35 and made a whole custom car. Would be super cool with this one, but or this one. That'd be cool. We'll see. Now I'm talking too much. Now she's out. I'll try opening it and see if I see anything, but I think I'm just gonna have to replace it. I opened it. This scratch here is from me by accident, but this here isn't. I'm not sure. I don't know my way around these things, but that looks burnt. And if that's burnt, then might explain why it's not working. Ooh, she's like smells completely burnt. That means it's broken. Like nothing else on this car. Again, I want studs. Like Matt Ross keeps saying, he wants studs on all his cars. Completely with you on that, man. Next, gonna put on this again. If I'm honest, I want to rewrap this because over here there's an air bubble, but I think I'm gonna do that after the inspection. Don't want to waste my time on that right now. And also, sometimes this light turns on, sometimes it doesn't. I have to see if the transmission has an issue with the connection. I don't have my OBD reader right now again because, like I said, I sent it away. Getting a new one. I remember there was some code. I gotta check my emails because they emailed it to me, the codes. Something with the transmission. I think it has to do with that one, that there's a loose contact somewhere. You get this off is press it up here, because then that hook in there, it's loosened, and then you can just pull it up. Yeah, just press it up here. So this hook in here, let's go of this. I gotta take this off again. I got a screw in here. Didn't put that one on yet, just this one. So this comes off, this comes in from the bottom, so this is all gone. We'll put it like that. Wow, look at that fit, man! Okay, that's in. Now I gotta put this guy back on. What I've always wanted to do, like, I always think this is ugly. If I was to keep this car and customize it, like, I would change everything in the inside. Thing is, doing that to this car, yeah, this car is cheap. You'll always have electrical issues. And if you do more to it, customize it, you'll have even more electrical issues. Perfect for S-Wine Garage. That hook in there is gone. Push it all the way down like that with the other hand. And you can see how that hook goes in underneath. And it goes up and down. Whoop whoop. There, I got this off of Tamo. Looks a lot better. Also, if I do end up getting vehicle inspection for this car and it's driving properly and it's not gonna sell, I think, then I'll probably keep it until I hit a deer. Just kidding. Until it dies again. Never know with these engines. Then I would like put a whole complete Alcantara in there, and I would want to put a diesel into here. That'd be cool. If I could get like a Cummins engine and put it into this Porsche, that would be cool. That would be really cool because I think that someone would buy. All of these got to be put in. Like this is painted black, but like look how bad. So I'm gonna have to fix that. This was painted black. I hate stuff like that. Buying used cars, but I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do the bumper first, as long as it's still light out. I took the headlights out, but I'm gonna see if I can just take this off and maybe get it off, get this thing checked out just by that, without taking the whole bumper off. Because if I take the bumper off, I forgot I gotta redisconnect the battery again, and I disconnected it. Yeah, no, it won't work what I wanted to. I thought this was just like a plate that goes on top, but this is connected all the way down to there. So I'm gonna have to move this and pull it out under. The new sensor came, looks exactly the same. Cold outside. I'm gonna start the car and see if I changed anything on the adjustables here. Oh, from normal to sport. I can imagine that I'm gonna have to delete the code and tell it that it's fixed. Let's try it though. Stay off. Oh, I don't know why. Yeah, probably because I have to delete it. Let's just see what this will do, and if that comes on again, that thing has to do with the drive height, that it doesn't work. But maybe if I tell it to work now by telling it to go down, maybe it will see, like, oh, I'm working again. See, that's coming on again. That I have to visit the shop. So we'll see if I press this right away. I just wanted to go through all of its things first here because of the airbag and so on. Okay, it's in comfortable now. Comfort. Let's press normal. It just changes that. If I go into normal and then oh, it just said that it's loading to go down. One sec. It's loading the pressure. We'll see what it's doing. It's not, maybe you have to press on sport. We'll figure this out yet. What's it called? The car is not standing straight, right? So I might have to make it straight first for that to properly work. Might not actually work at all because I lifted up the car without locking all the ride height, because I couldn't lock it because I couldn't get into the system because it was telling me something's broken. So maybe now I have to just delete everything and then do that. But again, I don't have my OBD right now, so we'll wait.